also have this printable. Why is printable funny?
Everything is funny right now, I'm sorry.
Printable? Should I say printable?
It sounds funny.
Intruders interrupted my video.
Sorry.
Talking about photo bombing, video bombing
I'll do
in the
nothing
background.
else.
Alright, so what was I saying now? I'm gonna use
printable. You're gonna use a printable.
I'm done with the printable right now. Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm participating in a challenge. This one is hosted by NataLee at Design to the Nines. Jennifer from Little Bit of Common Crazy is also hosting this challenge, and this is her ultimate Christmas wreath challenge. So all of us who participated are putting together a Christmas wreath. It's a bit early for me. I'm not going to hang this yet, but I just wanted to get it ready. I wanted to jump in because I love a challenge. I love NataLee's channel, so I hope you get a chance to take a look at it when you're done watching this video. The playlist and NataLee's channel will be linked below. A link to Jennifer's channel is also in the description box. And I'm just going to jump right in and explain how I'm putting together my wreath. So the following items are what I'm going to be using. This embroidery hoop, this felt, these were from Michael's. I got this from Michael's. It's a little tree, but I'm going to take all these little stems off and use them. I'm going to create a banner across the top that will say Merry Christmas. I'm going to use these picks that I got from Michael's to create a base. These have these little beadings on it and they're gold. And then I'm going to use the greenery from off of this tree, and that's going to add a little bit of embellishments to that area. Then in the center, I'm going to add the poinsettia flower that I'm creating with the printable. And I'll take some of the little beadings from the stems and place those in the center of the poinsettia just to add a little bit to that area. I printed out the words Merry Christmas. I'm just going to cut the words out and glue them directly onto the felt. And I'm going over the edges of the words with the Sharpie just to get the white parts that were left behind after I cut. This is the wreath that I came up with. And this will hang on my door or possibly somewhere inside. And I'll also use a piece of twine to attach it to the door on the command hook that I have there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to check out the playlist again that's linked below. I hope you stay tuned for more Christmas DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.